Thanks, Mondo. Tank is a solution for anyone who is analyzing large storage tanks. So we provide multiple codes for this type of analysis, and these codes include API 620, 650, and 653. So the options for tank design are vast within the software. From open roof to closed roof, domed or self-supported, Tank has the analysis that you need. So whether you're analyzing a new tank or an existing one, we provide the tools for you to do so. Tank also includes an API 579 module, which will allow you to perform fitness for service calculations. So with this, you can determine the safety of flaws and mechanical wear on your existing vessel. Of course, Tank also provides a summary output, much like other Hexagon products you may be familiar with. You can review all the calculations and save as either a PDF or Word and share with any peers or customers you may need to. So as part of the Hexagon brand, you know you're getting accurate results as we have a long history of providing leading software within the industry.